What I'm holding in my hand is our new PGX2. This pistol grip is one of a kind and the result of many years of evolution. As the pistol grip and the trigger are a natural extension between the photographer and the photo he or she will shoot, it's easy to say that the pistol grip is not just an accessory, but a major component of a water housing. This is the reason Liquid Eye took this new design very seriously to bring you a seamless link between your eyes and your lens. Taking the thought out of triggering the shutter means you can concentrate on every other aspect of shooting action photos. Let's take a closer look at this game changer. The PGX2 and the PGX-S2, which mounts on our smaller water housing models, are the latest generation of our pistol grip. The trigger has about 5 millimeters of play before you reach a distinctive point where your finger is stopped by the force difference. It's up to this point that the autofocus is activated. Depending on the AF mode you're using on your camera, you can play with this stroke area to track and frame your subject, much like using the back focus button, but much better because you only need to use one hand. It's simple to use, exactly like you would be doing from the beach on your shutter's front shutter button. And of course, if you use a non-AF lens, you can bypass this step by simply applying a stronger pressure all at once. The special mechanism enclosed inside the pistol grip will provide a click once you pass this position, meaning you step from the AF position and into releasing the shutter. The trigger on the PX2 not only provides special mechanical step, but also a sound to inform you that you took the shot. This is very convenient when you shoot without aiming through the viewfinder, like with a fisheye or a super wide angle, as you will feel the click in your finger confirming that you've taken the shot. This new pistol grip was also designed to be sandproof. As we all know, sand is a nightmare for any mechanism, as tiny grits of sand can jam up and block a whole system. Liquid Eye deliberately took the option of an open grip system, which allows the sand to enter and exit with water flow without interference. Our R&D department tested this system in many different sand conditions from different beaches around the globe in very extreme conditions, including the infamous sandy beach on Oahu, to test how the sand could jam up the system. This grip came out on top. Like all of our housing models, the PGX2 and the PGX-S2 are made of high-strength PU resin, a totally redesigned grip shape to ergonomically fit in your hand, combined with a ribbed rubber pad, now covering about 75% of the pistol, ensures an excellent grip. We added an additional spout at the lower part of the pistol to avoid accidental pullout in case you get pounded by a wave. Last but not least, the PGX2 and PGX-S2 are compatible with our previous versions of these water housings, which means if you bought your water housing a couple of years ago, you can still upgrade to this new version. We hope that you'll appreciate how we've designed this grip to be back compatible with our existing housings. It's rare to see this kind of dedication to not only coming up with a new, better design, but one that can be used by most of our customers and the equipment they already have. We are confident to say that this will be a real game changer in your way of shooting. If you're new to our channel and water photography, or looking for great advice from our team of professionals, do us a favor by clicking the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out some of our previous videos. We're always sharing good information. From everyone behind the scenes at Liquid Eye and myself, thank you for watching, and Happy shooting!